Sobrang lamig, as in napakaginaw, para tayong nasa lugar na may niebe. Ang sakit sa ilong, sa mata, sa mga daliri. See? Tapos ang dami pang umuubo at saka parang flu season. Well, it is flu season kasi nga malamig, pero kaya doble ingat or triple ingat. Ang ganda ng mga rebulto, no? Para ako nasa Greece. Financial district to ng San Francisco downtown. Tignan nyo naman yung mga building. Sobrang nagtatayugan. Naglakad ako eh. Late na ako nakapaglakad today. Everyday yan hindi ko namimiss. Kailangan ko maglakad no matter what. Lalo na kapag after kong kumain. Today napilitan akong bumili ng coffee, and sa app ang binili ko is decaf. I always go for decaf because I can't handle caffeinated drinks anymore. It gives me palpitations. But when I got there, the employee told me, I'm sorry, we ran out of decaf, but it's too cold, as in freezing. Believe me, freezing, super cold. So I said, can you just I pay for large. So I said half regular coffee and then half hot water, and then three pumps of low fat milk para makutaw lang yung decaf. Good, okay naman. Hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng palpitation. Thank goodness. Ayun yung yung pyramid building, yung Transamerica sa Sansome Street. Ayun sa tagiliran pa ganun, no? Sansome Street yan. Nandito ako sa Pine Street. All the way is I believe Little Italy, North Beach, and then kung lalakad ka pa ganon, Chinatown. And then going that way, the main street, Market Street. I'm heading towards going California Street and Bush. Nandito na ako sa Kearny. Ang cute nitong cafe na to, kala mo library, oh. Look at that. Isn't it neat? Cool. Alright, you guys. Thank you for watching. Take care out there, and God bless. Chinatown. And oh, look at that. Ang pula ng ilong ko, kahit na may dilim na halatang mapula dahil sobrang lamig. Tsaka medyo na-hoarse yung sound ng voice ko. Ang ganda na, no? Yung parang kinda somewhat pagoda looking building na Chinese what you call this building na what's the term anyway. Look at that, cute. Ang dami niyan dito, mga doon pa sa kabilang side, oh. Look at that. Chinese New Year, eh. Kaya, I mean, they're celebrating it early, but it'll be, you know, this month. Kaya maririnig mo yung mga may nagpapaputok. Lalo sa gabi, ang lakas kagabi. Kala ko may kung ano na, kaya sinara ko yung bintana. Then I realized na Chinese New Year pala. Coming soon. Look at the Chinatown. Andito na ako sa may Bush and Grand Street. Ito yung There you go. Diba? Sorry. Hello.